Hello adorables, welcome everyone to my channel. Today I have an unbagging of a diamond painting from One Day Savings. Okay, so One Day Savings is a budget-friendly company, and they asked me if I would like to select a canvas and show you on my channel. I said yes, and I picked one I've been wanting for a really long time. So this is the bag it comes in, and it doesn't matter how long the canvas is, they just flip it over whatever size and match the size. Okay. Ooh, I can't believe I got this. It's a square, okay? I don't do squares, but for this guy, with some tape. For this guy, I'm going to try. Now, I have ordered some little tiny square things to do. I wanted to get a feel of it before I just jumped into a large canvas. And they have not come yet. But I think I've got two others. Look at him. I don't even want to talk about what's in my stash. Look at him. Oh my God. It's Raja. It's Raja. Look how happy you just rub him under his chin. Oh my God. Oh my God, I love it. Have you ever seen a tiger? Looks so beautiful. Oh my God. Let's get a close up. So these are really tiny. It's something I never noticed on the other canvases is how tiny this is. Look how tiny they are. Well, you probably can't tell. That's very, very tiny. These are little things. What is going on? Hey, look at this. They come in a train. These are his oranges and browns. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is going to be a job. I love him though. I love him. If I get this done, he's going on my wall for sure. Oh my God, he's just so cute. I want to rub him under his chin. So this is a 50 by 70. I can hear bubbles under here. This is a thin plastic. Yeah, I hear it up here. Maybe I should have rolled them. I'm going to cut that before I'm done, but not right this second. I'll turn them around first. But I think that would benefit from it. I want him to be flat when I work. I mean, really flat. I love this. I wanted this for so long, and I can't believe I didn't buy him myself. It was the fact that he was square that had scared me off. And I hear people saying it's no big deal, it doesn't matter one way or the other, it's the same thing. I don't know. I just haven't done one yet. Like the Halloween, I know I was going to try my haunted castle, haunted house. And I haven't done it yet, but it's coming up for Halloween, you know? So it was on my mind, and now I got this, and I'm like, this is probably gonna jump in front of him. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. I really want to do that haunted house. It's gorgeous. It's a spooky house, and it doesn't have pumpkins or anything. It just looks like a haunted house, not a Halloween house. So I don't know. He's really awesome. It's the most beautiful tiger ever. It's Raja. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we've got 1 through 9, and then alphabetical order. That's nice. Doesn't really matter to me, but it does help the flow of things when you're kitting up, because you got to kit up. It comes in the trains. I'm going to check these out. See what's going on here. Let's look at some drills. Backwards, okay. They look pretty good. Here's a brown tiger. A little bit of pinkish. Everything is looking good. What's the name of the company? Onedaysaving. Let's check the other one out, just because we already started. All that shine going on, even in a brown. So it's only 2 bags of black. So he's got more browns, and his background is brown too. Which I wish they would have put him in front of like a blue sky. Would have been nice. What else we got? This is kind of pointless. I don't think they're really interested in every shade of brown that's in him. But there's quite a few oranges, different shades of oranges. So for 24 colors, it looks like they've got plenty of shades, because he's what, brown, orange, and white. There you go. How many colors would you need? So yeah. Oh, I love him. I love him. I want to tickle under his chin. He's so cute. He's got a smile. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I have been wanting him for like a year. And I didn't get him because he's square. But now I've got him. So I am going to be giving it a go. This ain't gonna cooperate today. Get in there. Fold one more. Fold one more. There's 2. Okay. Half done. Fold one more of these over. Put them this way. There we go. Okay. So, this is Raja. 50 by 70. And it's from One Day Savings. Just in case. GS3889. GS3889 Tiger. In case I'm stupid and I can't remember what Raja means or any of the other stuff. I do that. Sometimes I put way too much information than I need on there. And other times, I don't put enough. What do you think about that? What do you think? Let's look at this. Oh, it's scary looking because there's squares and they're so small. It didn't look, we just looked at those drills. They didn't look any smaller than the round ones. But they are. That's definitely a smaller spot. It's too bad he wasn't sitting there with blue sunshine, blue and yellows like sunshine, maybe trees in the back or something. But, I mean, it's a portrait. And for what he is, he's pretty close to perfect. The tiger itself is perfect. I just don't care for brown. You know, I'm more toward the blue and green and maybe pink or purple. But he's good. I really wanted him. Okay. So that's it. Look at his little mouth. He's got little toofies. Where's it at? Right here. Okay. He's got little toofies. Those are teeth. Those are his teeth. Oh, I want to hug him. I want to hug him. Okay. One Day Savings. You can get Raja too. Thank you, One Day Savings. And thank you to all my subscribers who watch my videos, because without you this would not be possible. Because I do enjoy myself to give you a glimpse of what these companies have to offer and the quality of their products. You know, I like that. I don't have anything to do except clean the house. Basically, that's all I have to do, and eat. So, I appreciate you, all of you. And even if you don't comment, even if you're just a view count, that counts. That helps too. Because that's all I am to most people. I'm just a view count, and they don't realize I watched, or, you know, maybe they think I don't care. But I'm not into comments. You know, I've got issues with people and communicating with people, and so I think it's safe to just, you know, step back and not interact for a little while. That's kind of what I'm doing. But okay, when it about the canvas now, I will give you all the information for One Day Saving linked below. So if you like Raja, like I like Raja, you can work him too. I don't know how you get a better cat than that, because you know these big cats, they're always looking so mean and fierce, and I'm not completely into that, you know. But here he's smiling and he's happy, and I'm like, yes, that's how I want to see animals, you know, not miserable, vicious things. I want to see them like this, because in the beginning I think they were like this. I think we got along, whoever the people were, they got along with nature, you know, and they would lay down together under the trees and just live in paradise there, the Garden of Eden, and everything was good, and they didn't have to hunt each other, and you know, it was a nicer time. So I'd like to go back to that stage in time where things were more peaceful amongst anything born on earth. And it looks like that's where Raja came from. He came from the beginning. Okay, enough of my ridiculousness and rambling. I hope you all are having a great day, and I thank you once again for stopping by and watching my videos. Peace out, and God bless my adorables. Did I forget anything? I don't think I forgot anything. Peace.